I don't know if the moon landing was faked, but I know for a fact that humans have been there. How? It's all in the rocks, baby. Lunar rocks are weird. First of all, there's no water in them. There's no hydrous minerals, and there's no chemical alteration products. Also, the rocks on the moon are old as hell. Do you see all the white spots? Those are the lunar highlands, and these rocks are 4.4 billion years old. That's older than any rock on Earth. Finally, there's cosmic radiation, which produces really weird elements in lunar rocks. On Earth, rays are absorbed by the atmosphere. On the moon, there's no atmosphere. If you're either really smart or you know a lot about geology, you might be saying right now, well, I've heard of lunar meteorites. What if these weird rocks that you found were blasted off the surface of the moon and came down to the planet? Just because we have rocks from the moon doesn't mean that humans went there. There's one way that lunar meteorites are different from the Apollo samples, and it's so crazy that it would be impossible to fake. Lunar soils are chock-a-block full of these tiny little things called spherules. They're bits of metal or glass that resulted from meteorite impacts on the surface of the moon or were just sourced from outer space. They settle on the surface of the moon, and because it doesn't have water or wind or tectonics, they stay there. Like forever. We can find these spherules on the Apollo samples, but on lunar meteorites, these tiny little delicate features get destroyed by heat whenever they re-enter the atmosphere. So that's how we know that the Apollo samples are the real deal and humans have been to the moon. Tiny, pristine glass beads in lunar soils from 4 billion-year-old impacts. That's enough evidence for me. I think it should be for you too.